shy. Ei, vídeo novo! Sejam muito bem-vindos ao meu canal. Prazer, eu sou a Débora, também conhecida como Deboríssima lá no Instagram. Já aproveita para me seguir e se inscreve aqui no meu canal. Por quê? Por que eu estou te pedindo tudo isso? Porque eu moro na Inglaterra e aqui neste canal eu conto todas as curiosidades que é morar na Terra da Rainha. E hoje eu tenho duas convidadas especiais aqui no vídeo que vão fazer umas coisas diferentes aqui comigo. Vou chamar as meninas agora. Yeah! Here they are! So, say hi to Brazil, girls!
Hi, Brazil!
She's still a bit shy. So, I'm gonna start with you, by the way.
Okay.
Introduce yourself, name, age, and where you're from, and where you live.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so my name's Alina, I'm 27 years old, and I'm from Latvia, and I live in Manchester.
Great,
Yeah.
great. Please.
What do I say again?
Your name, age, where you're from, and where do you live, like you're currently living.
Alright.
So I'm Louise, I'm 23, I'm from England and I currently live in Manchester.
She's a baby, isn't it? 23. But today they are here because they are going to react to some Brazilian food, Brazilian snacks, and they didn't see anything before, am I right?
No.
Okay, so it's gonna be actually a surprise for them. And I've got these signs. They already know how it works, but I'm gonna explain it to you guys. I'm gonna switch to Portuguese again, sorry. So, eu preparei essas plaquinhas para elas e basicamente elas vão dizer se elas gostaram com sim ou não das comidas, e eu pedi para elas serem muito sinceras e eu espero, I hope they will be honest with me. But let's see if somebody's being fake here. And yeah, that's it. After reacting to the food, they're gonna react to some Brazilian memes, which, well, you guys know it. So yeah, I think that's it. Let's get started. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna teach you the names before. This is called caipirinha. Say. Oh, your pronunciation is good. Say again.
Caipirinha? Caipirinha?
Caipirinha, good. Caipirinha. I was trying to teach them how to make caipirinha before, but Matheus didn't let me do it.
He wasn't having any of it.
Yeah, they saw it. I swear God, I was trying. But anyway, caipirinha is a cocktail, a Brazilian cocktail with cachaça. But as we don't have cachaça, we just put rum, and some limes, sugar. It's just like mashed limes. Yeah, try. I don't know how strong is
This
it.
is like alcoholic lemonade.
I never thought about this, but yes. Awesome. So yeah, you are the stars, girls. What did you think?
That one. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Everybody loves caipirinha. I never met anybody on earth that don't like it.
That's dangerous.
It is.
Very dangerous.
You don't feel alcohol?
No.
So it just goes down really quickly and smoothly?
Yeah,
Nice to have a hot
and
day
it's
as well.
good. That's what I would say. It's good because Brazil is really warm, so we try this kind of fresh drinks, cocktails. It's good for summer, and we've got different flavors. You can make with kiwi, strawberries, even raspberries. What else? Pineapple. So yeah.
Please.
I'd like to try a kiwi one. I was thinking that. Kiwi sounds.
Next time, when we're not recording, like when we're actually hanging out properly, I'll make for you girls. So, coxinha, say after me.
Coxinha?
Come on, fuck off, your pronunciation is really good. I struggle with English, but like you speaking Portuguese like way much better than me. Fuck English.
Did I tell you I was Brazilian in my castle?
Probably, who knows. So, coxinha is a deep fried snack. The actual dough is from potatoes, and there's a filling, chicken filling, and that's pretty much everything about coxinha. Yeah, go. I think I'll have one as well. And actually, we have like a thing. Oh my sweet lord! I'm gonna say that to everything. I can just feel it already. Is it good? Oh, can I have another 10, please? Top notch, beautiful. We love coxinha. Oh, it's so good. Are you being serious?
Yeah.
I'm trying so hard not to make a mess. It's going everywhere.
Please.
No, it tastes like a warm hug.
A warm what?
Hug.
A warm hug.
That's so cute. Oh my god. And just. It's not.
Tell me more.
How to describe like a, mac and cheese is like a warm hug. This is like a warm hug.
I feel that.
It's what actually everything inside of you is hugging each other, and you feel this pleasure coming out of you. Oh my god! I didn't think you would love that so much. So is it a yes or no? Be honest.
Hell yeah.
You're great. So I'm gonna have mine. Próximo snack, que não é assim muito popular, mas tá se tornando bem popular no Brasil, que é o dadinho de tapioca. So girls, next is snack. Oh my god, it's so hard to say. Next is snack. Say it.
Next is snack.
It's hard.
Next is snack.
Next is snack.
Next is snack.
Because of the next is snack. The end of the next and then it's snack. Next is snack.
Next snack.
Next snack.
Next snack.
Next snack.
It's lost all its meaning now. We've said it so many times.
Anyway, next. It's dadinho de tapioca. So, how can I explain it? It's a cassava flour. Do you know cassava?
No.
I don't. How can I? It's like potato, but something different.
It's like a potato.
Yeah, but it's not potato. It's something similar. I'll show you a picture later. But yeah, so it's the flour out of this thing.
Sorry.
Just yeah. Or if you wanna try it now. Is this a yes or no? Or maybe don't know.
I think it's a yes. It's unusual, but I do like it.
It reminds me of something.
Oh really?
It's because it's like, it tastes a bit like cottage cheese, farmer's cheese. I don't know if you've ever. So yeah, that's why it reminds me of that. So.
But because of the cheese, not because of the.
Yeah. But that's why it's still yes.
It's on the light. Zero.
It's alright. Great!
Woo!
Okay, so what's next? Maybe pão de queijo?
It's a cheese.
Looks like a little cheesy dough ball thingies. Is that basically what it is?
Next snack? Next snack? Next is snack? Cheese ball. Pão de queijo. Say it. Great!
Pão de queijo.
Pão de queijo.
Pão de queijo.
Basically, pão is bread. And queijo is cheese.
Queijo.
So cheese bread, pão de queijo. Okay.
We love cheese bread.
Go for it. Now the last salty snack, which is oh my god, esqueci o nome. Biscoito de polvilho. Biscoito, which is biscuit.
Biscoito.
Biscoito.
De polvilho.
Polvilho.
Great. This is a salt biscuit. Like. It's to the end. No, we don't know. No.
It's too simple.
No. No.
It's kind of what I imagine seawater would taste like.
What?
Seawater. So like the ocean. That's what I imagine the ocean would taste like if it was a solid thing.
Really?
That's what it reminded me of, and I don't know why.
I don't know, it's simple for me.
Just simple for you, lucky girl. I'm sorry.
No, because I can eat like seaweed or something. It just doesn't. It's like simple. I want
Tastes
something
like
more.
nothing.
Yeah.
Tastes like the seawater. Okay. Alright, I like it. So now let's move on to the sweet part. Where do you want to start? I'm gonna present everything to you. I've got sonhos de valsa. Is cocada, so it's something made out of coconut. This is carrot cake, Brazilian style. So it's not the carrot cake you're used to. And on the top we've got brigadeiro, which is kind of a ganache, a Brazilian ganache. And this is paçoquinha. Oh, which one do you wanna try first?
Bonbons.
Bonbon.
Yeah.
How do you say that?
Bonbon things.
Bonbon things.
In the UK, like bonbons and truffles are two completely different things.
What is bonbon?
So like a bonbon is they're normally either strawberry flavoured or blueberry flavoured, and they're like little sugary sweets, whereas a truffle's like a chocolate.
So it's like a sugar tiny bowl.
Yeah.
Flavored.
If we do a UK version of this, I will get some.
I never tried bonbon, but we should make a UK version of this.
Yes, I will.
Definitely.
I will find some.
With a local, because we actually did a UK version ourselves, trying English food, but like just the, fish and chips, things like everybody knows. Go. You were just waiting.
It smells amazing.
I don't know if it's fresh, because I bought it from the market. Is it fresh? It sounds fresh, yeah. I can hear that.
That is amazing.
Is it good? Really?
Yes, because again, it reminds me from something from home.
Oh.
So
Brazilians and Latvians have a lot of things in common. I forgot to buy one for me. Stupid. We've got Guaraná. Okay, Guaraná. What did you think it was that?
I thought it was beer.
Yeah, no.
It looks like beer.
It looks like beer, but actually it's a soft drink made out of Guaraná. So Guaraná is a fruit, a typical fruit from Brazil. Ai, meu Deus, mas... Eu não peguei copo pra mim. Posso beber no gargalo?
for me, it's
No, I like it.
Não, tem copo de bebida. Nosso vídeo cortou no meio e elas não deram um parecer sobre a cocada, mas elas já provaram. Então, is it a yes or no for the cocada? Yeah!
Yeah. Not sure.
Ok. But quando a câmera tava desligada, ela bem que comeu o mesmo pedaço, tá? I was just saying when the camera was off, you actually had another bit. Bite, not bit. And now she's having more guaraná. So
I like this. It's very nice.
she like it. Let's move on to paçoquita.
So what is it? Next.
I love it. Good?
Very, very good. Very good.
You're so easy, girls. You like everything.
oh yeah.
She's easy. She's like everything.
I'm not too sure. I don't like any sponge cakes.
Okay, fair enough.
I just like tarts. Yeah.
Try just the top. Like it? Beautiful. This is one of my favorite as well.
It's more.
Yes. Okay, you're being honest. Fair enough. It's just like a final question. Like, on the top of everything, is it a yes or a no for Brazilian food?
Really? You have to ask me that.
Hey!
Hell yeah!
Now, agora a gente vai, vamos reagir aos memes, porque, nossa, essa eu tô um pouco ansiosa, tá, gente? E vamos ver o que elas acham dos memes. E elas gostaram das comidas brasileiras, não acharam estranhas, porque a Elina foi um pouco mais... Matheus na cozinha. A Elina gostou menos das coisas, mas, no geral, eu senti que elas curtiram, foram bem verdadeiras, né? Aqui nos por trás das câmeras. Vamos agora, então, para os memes.